for giving us a brief overview. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand many of you have other commitments too, and some of you have come really traveling from Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai, Sharjah, and from so many places. We all appreciate your patience. We hope you keep it for a few more minutes, and we would really appreciate your participation in this, because trust me, inshallah, in few years you will feel that you were part of history. Now I would request some students studying presently in the school who are going to come and present the school song, and all of you have been given a copy of the school song. You are most welcome to sing along with these students the school song. And dear students, please, thank you so much for doing this for us, dear students. Ladies and gentlemen, I think those students have come here on a Friday and they deserve a bigger round of applause. In uniforms on Friday, so they really need a bigger round of applause. Thank you so much. Keeping the time in mind, we will make a slight change in the schedule, and instead of having the address of the alumni and the senior most alumni gathered here, we would request our headmaster, Sir, Mr. Paul sir, to please come and address us. Before that, please let me say that after his address, we would break for the prayer. Please, 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 it's a personal request, don't go, please come back, because we have the most important part, that is of the alumni, after the prayer. So please don't go anywhere, it's a personal request, please come back. In the meantime, I'm sure the volunteers will help everybody who wants to go to the prayer room. We have a separate room for the ladies and gents. I would now request our headmaster, Mr. Paul sir, to please come here. All of you know Paul sir and Usha teacher. a couple, one of the most senior-most couples in our school. They're here from mid-80s, and they are also the proud parents of their children, both of whom were alumni of this school. Vinita was my classmate, Sanu Elsa Paul was also there, both of them having studied in the school through and through for the 14 years. Paul, sir.
Well, Mrs. Neelam Upadhyaya, Vice Principal Mrs. Saraswati Narayan, all the members of the Indian school family, a very good evening and warm welcome to you all. Parting is always sorrowful, but the reunion of those who have said adieu is a great occasion to be happy and proud about. Today, I am standing before you with that proud feeling of a father receiving his children back home after being away for a long period. What a wonderful day. What a precious evening. What a privilege being in the midst of such a marvelous gathering of people from various walks of life. Many of you have walked into this temple of learning as kids. Your parents left you in our hands like clay in the hands of a potter. Today, we are proud. Our eyes are filled with tears of joy. No doubt, the teachers of this great institution didn't spare any effort to bring you up to what you are today. It is that love and care that brought you together here once again under the same umbrella, Indian School Alliance. It is you who made this institution great. It is you who have taken the Indian school across the globe. Today, you have all gathered here after traveling long distances to pay respect for your alma mater and teachers, and to see the classrooms where your destiny has been shaped. When you were sitting within those four walls, none has dreamt about the present. Great. Hats off to you all, my dear children. When you were with us, the days might have seemed long for you. Subjects might have been boring. Teachers might have been strict. Even they might have punished you. But today, you have made us all proud. You have scaled many heights and are yet in the process of climbing further heights. We, as teachers, have no such tall claims. We remain almost the same. Same routine of shaping the destiny of hundreds and thousands over the years. But we are grateful to God when we see you all very successful in your life. Young or old, remember, we have so many opportunities open for us. On our way, challenges may be many, but with the right attitude, hard work, determination, and above all, the grace from God, each and everyone can ascend the ladder of fame and fortune. I am reminded of the words of Martin Luther King. I quote, "I have a dream. I have a dream." So I am saying, dream big and excel in life. Let me conclude by saying that be the proud ambassadors of your alma mater, wherever you are, in whatever you do. May God bless you all and grant you travel mercies. In joyful hope, let us all welcome a progress and peaceful 2012. Thank you.
Now we come to a very important part of this evening, and that is the announcement of the Indian School Lane Alumni Association. This association is born out of the idea of having this alumni get together, first informally, then semi-formally, now almost formally. But we will take some time to form committees or committee members. At present, we have a group of 4 people, senior most alumni, who will take forward this movement and make sure that this spark remains and we create a larger, more meaningful alumni organization in the coming months and years that could meet perhaps once in a year on the annual days. It could have a UAE chapter, it could have an India chapter. Suggestions are welcome, but it is these few senior most alumni who we have requested to take forward the leadership for the alumni organization of Indian School Lane. Let me please introduce you to them. We have Mr. Samir Abu Bakr from Dubai, we have Mr. Kulwant Singh from Dubai, we have Ms. Lakshmi Sanal from Abu Dhabi, and to coordinate the alumni activities from the school, we have the school representative, Mrs. Mini Teacher. I would quickly be requesting all of them to come and speak to all of you briefly, because that is the core purpose of why we have gathered here today. Let me please introduce to you the senior most alumni who has responded to our invitation this evening, Mr. Samir Abu Bakr. Mr. Samir Abu Bakr has come from Dubai with his wife, Ms. Ramida, and his daughter, and I trust me, his daughter is having fever. This shows the level of commitment that they have to Indian school. The daughter here, cute little girl, she's trying to catch some sleep. She's having fever, and we really hope she gets well soon. But thank you so much for coming. Mr. Samir Abu Bakr is graduated from grade 12 20 years ago in 1992. That was the second batch of grade 12 to have graduated from Indian School Lane. There is a deeper connection